Hello guys, welcome to the new video. It's gonna be just a short one, I think, just to explain that I took apart the whole scooter yesterday. It's totally in pieces right now, because over the winter there's gonna be some big upgrades to make it a lot nicer and stuff like that. So yeah, the engine. I'm gonna make a separate video explaining all the parts I have in the engine and the settings it ran before. And then the suspension with the radial brake caliper. This is a special pump from RS125. It's very nice, I like it. It has a big lever, so you can have a lot of force on it. Yeah, the frame is very nasty, the paint all went off, so needs to be powder coated, and the other frame is out to get welded, so there's gonna be some updates on that when we do the actual welding. So yeah, this is the old frame. See, when I was tapping out the subframe yesterday from the force, it finally broke and it just fell off here. So yeah, today what I did was went to Domin, a friend who's also into scooter tuning from Belgium, and he nicely sandblasted my handlebars. We're gonna do some mods to the handlebars to probably make it lighter. I yesterday also bought a new scale, and this is the bolt for the handlebars, almost 80 grams, so I'm gonna get this in titanium. And then I got some hoses for the carb and fuel hose for the new tank. These are the wheels, Zip SP98 with PMT tires. The fairings are over here in the corner. So yeah, for the handlebars, at the moment my Micron was mounted to a very stupid bracket I made. It held, but now I'm gonna make this bracket directly on the handlebars, so it's much more rigid. Then we're gonna remove these things because they're for the mirrors. We also kinda polished this cap for the carb. It's not fully polished yet, just remove the paint. So we had the engine again, the nice roost cylinder. And these are some of the other parts. This is my brake handle. The brake handle is also very nice. It's when you fall it claps in. This is the NOS button with the nice CNC. The brand is Vince. These are the electronics, CDI. This is gonna get polished too, I think. Some more sleeved cable for the kill switch and the sensors. Oh yeah, this is getting fitted too. The Polini axle for the torsion. This torsion. and the tank is over here together with the exhaust and the NOS. So yeah, next plans are weigh all the parts and make a list and continue like slowly progressing with stuff to make it nicer. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.